Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, so for today's video, I'm really excited because I have a do your nails at home from Amazon and Dollar Tree. Like, I have all the stuff that you need to do your nails at home. I have a big haul for you guys, so I'm so excited. I stopped going to the nail salon like right after quarantine kind of let up. I went back to the nail salon and they did my nails disgusting. Like, they did such a horrible job. My nails looked absolutely horrific. See, I did these nails all at home and with everything that I got from the Dollar Tree and everything I got from Amazon. Actually, I lied. I got the polish I got for Christmas. It's like a OPI or it's a something. I got the polish. I'll pull it out. But everything else was from Amazon. So I'm really excited to show you guys everything I got, and let's just go ahead and get into it. Okay, so I'm just gonna get the stuff that I got from Sally's and that I got from Dollar Tree out of the way first. So I only got 3 things from Sally's, and I didn't use these on my nails. I just used the stuff from Amazon on my nails, but I got this after all of my like Amazon stuff came in. I got this No Lift Nails acrylic nail powder in clear. But yeah, I got this clear acrylic right here. You can see it a little bit. The matching acrylic nail liquid. This is the monomer to activate the acrylic. So I got a little one of that. And then I got 2 of these square nail files. And it's really crazy because I was like, you should be able to use any nail file with your nails. And so when I was doing these, I had like a regular round nail file or oval nail file. And I was like, this kind of sucks just a little bit. I'm like, I think I need the square ones. And so I'm really excited to use the square ones. For some reason, I just feel like they're going to work a little bit better. So I got 2 of those. And that was everything I got from Sally's. That was like 20 something bucks. It ended up coming out to be like $21. So let's go ahead, and I got a bunch of nail polishes from the Dollar Tree. So from the Dollar Tree, and this isn't even all of them, y'all. This is just like the ones that I felt like were cute enough or I cared enough to show y'all. So I got the little slim nail polish ones that you can do the designs. I got a black, a hot pink, a yellow, a green, and a white. And of course, these were all $1. So, you know, I had to stock up on these. So I'm super excited about those. And then I got these 2 shimmering eyeshadows to use on the nail. You know how some people put like the shadow on and then they like scrub it on with like a eye makeup brush or something, the little sponge things. So I wanted to see if I could try to do that with these. And if they don't work, I can always use them on my eyes. So these were $1, and I got a pink in Lollipop, and I got a Snow White. Okay, so for the nail polishes, I got a bunch of them, y'all. I got a really pretty purpley, pinky, glittery color. I got a soft pink, and this is in the shade 527. I got a lime green, and this is 506, and this shade is cuter in the bottle than it is on the nails. It'll probably be cuter on like shorter nails, but I actually tried to do another set with that green and I really didn't like it. I got a regular clear. I got a deep purpley glitter color with like blue and pink sparkles. I got a blue or teal kind of color, and that is shade 504. I got a super pretty purple color, and that's 612. I'm really excited to use this one. I got a really pretty glittery one. This is 646, and it looks kind of like, can't really see it, but it looks like birthday cake, almost like confetti. I use this one, and it is so freaking pretty. So this one is one of my favorites. You can't see it a little bit, but this one's really cute. And of course, you know, you're gonna have to get a super girly hot pink. I definitely had to get this, and I just want to wear this. I just want this one to be like my next one, just because I'm feeling so girly, like so feminine, and I just want some super hot pink long nails. So I might do that for my next set. Oh, I'm sorry, this one is shade 516. And you know that your girl had to get a Snow White, so I got 402, and this is just a plain white. Gotta keep the white polish. And then I got a glittery gold in 544. So that was all of the nail polishes and stuff that I got from Dollar Tree. So now let's move on to the stuff from Amazon. I'm so excited. So right here, I got the Beetles Gel Polish LED UV Base Plus Top Coats. And this was like, I want to say this was like $9 or like $9.99 from Amazon. And it comes with 3. It's by the brand Beetles Gel Polish. And I got the top coat. I got the matte top coat. I got the base gel. So that's literally all the foundations, top coat, base coats that you will need. And I'm actually going to get another one of these because y'all, this is so good. I used it on my nails that I have now, and my nails are so shiny and so pretty. So I really like this top coat or this top coat base coat set, so I'm gonna get another one. And then I also got the Fight Art gel nail polishes, and these are in the jelly kind of colors. And I'm so excited for these. So it has 6 of them in there. A crystal green jelly, a crystal rose red, a crystal sky blue, a crystal orange. I bet that's gonna be so pretty. I'm so excited. A crystal dark blue, really excited for that, and a crystal purple. So I love jelly nails. It's probably one of my favorites next to like the soft white and just plain white. I love like a jelly pink nail. So cute and so girly. This I'm so excited about. And this, oh, I'm sorry. These were like 12 bucks from Amazon. All the 6 gel nail polishes. So the next thing that I got from Amazon, this was $30, and this is my UV lamp. This is the 120 watt UV LED nail lamp by Sun BQ5T, whatever that means. I love this lamp, y'all. As soon as it hit my door, like, I had to take it out, plug it up, and put the like gel top coat on my nails. So I was so excited. So when you get it, it comes wrapped up like this. And it has the charger. This is how the lamp looks. I really like this one. It looks a little like more professional. I was looking at like a pink one and like another white one, but this one just looks a little more professional. So it also has the little carrier so you can carry it around to different stations. And it has the 10, 30, 60, and 99 second settings. And it has the bottom part in here, or if you want, you can remove it and still like put your hand under it. So I love this. This is one of my favorite purchases that I got. Okay, so now we're gonna move on into the actual nails themselves. So I got a huge box full of stuff. I got a pack of fruit decals, and it has like grapes, watermelon, oh no, wait, it's like grapes, kiwi, lemons, pears, bananas, some kind of cute pink fruit, oranges, apples, limes, tomatoes, I don't know what that is, and strawberries or whatever. So love these, and this was like $7. I got these from Dollar Tree too, but these are just like some cosmetic wedges to practice doing ombre. All of these rhinestones. So I got these 2 separately. So the rhinestones came with the wax pencil and some tweezers, really cool, and the picker upper, the picker upper with the little wax on the inside. So, okay, so I got a pack of the super small rhinestones at 12 different sizes. They're all circular. A pack with 12 different sizes of the really large rhinestones. I mean, not really large, but like they're the bigger ones. There we go. So there it is. And oh, you can see it on my nail a little bit. So this is how the big ones look. The little ones, the fruit. So for the actual nail tips, I got the coffin shape. I got the clear kind. So I haven't opened these, but I got the clear EC Basket by Nails Gaga. And these are just the longer tips in clear. And it's 500 of these. So really excited. And this has like 10 or 12 different sizes. And I haven't used the clear ones yet. Ones I have on now are these, and they're the same kind, but they're just the like white creamy kind of color. So I really like these. For longer, I got the long, what are these? I threw everything away, like all the packaging, but I got the long like ballerina tip or coffin tip. I got the white ones. And this has 10 sizes in it. Can you see? So I'm really excited. I'm going to use these the next time I do my nails. So I can have them longer, but just to test them out, I wanted them to be a little short. But these look really, really good. So I'm very excited to try these out. And I see a lot of people use these and really like them. And then I got the same kind, but I just got the clear. So let's see, you can see them? And this is how the front looks. And these are all the full cover ones. I didn't get the tips because I just don't have time to like deal with buying the acrylic and billing the nail and all of that stuff. I just wanted to make some cute press-ons and keep it pushing. So maybe in the future when I have more time, I will invest in a bigger thing of acrylic and actually just do the tip and build the nail. But for now, the press-ons are just fine for me. And I also got a 5-pack of the KDS nail tip glue. And this was like $4 or $5 for 5 of these. And so I thought this was a really good deal because this is the type of glue that they use at my nail salon, ex-nail salon. And then I got a little glass bottle for the monomer when I do the acrylic. So finally from Amazon, I got a 3-pack of artist brushes, and this is the pack with the daughter, the acrylic brush, and the like straight line maker brush. This is my second one. They actually delivered it to me. We did it through Prime, and they delivered it and they were broken. They came and they were broken, but Amazon was like, hold on girl, we got you, and they sent me a new pack the next day. So shout out to Amazon. So this is the acrylic brush. Just to get up close on it. Really cute with the little crystals in it. This is the daughter tool. And this is the like line brush. So those are really cute to make different little designs on your nails. So I definitely wanted to do that. And then of course I definitely wanted to get an acrylic brush. All right, you guys, so that was everything that I got from Amazon to do my own acrylic nails at home. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. Make sure you guys hit the bell notification button so that you guys are notified every time I upload. I upload 3 times a week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Sundays, typically at 9 a.m. and sometimes when a girl can do it. Thank you so much for joining me for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.